Hello, I'm Yumi, and in this video, I'll walk you through the component and module I developed for our social networking app built with React Native and Firebase. And first, I will introduce the sign up. In this sign up module, I will check if this password is strong, and this sign up handle sign up function will check all of the email password is correct or not. If it's correct, then it can correct it and it will be registered successfully. And for the login part, we can see user need to input their email and password, and this component will check if the function, if the content is correct, and then it will can be login. And both in the sign up and login, they all have the forget password, which means if someone is forget, it can reset. So for this reset password, it will check the user's email address. If it is wrong, it will pop the alert. Otherwise, it will send a reset email to someone's email, and then users can reset their emails. And another component besides the authentication is a map. And first, I will modify the event part here. First, if someone want to create the event, I first will fetch current location, and it also requests permission to get the current location and set the coordinate. And then user can also choose their their coordinate by any place, and then it will be inserted into the DB. And for the map all, it will show all of the event in the map. First, it will fetch the data from the database, and then it will fit to coordinate, which means the map will show all of the event in a picture. And users can also check each event by press the event, and it will navigate to event detail, and you can see all the description about these maps. About is the component, and for the integration and communication part, the authentication component, for example, the sign up, the login, and the reset password component handle the user lifecycle, storing and validating data using Firebase. And for the event and the man modules, the add event component will share the event data with Firestore, which will then retrieved and displayed by the map-all component. Data flows between the map and events using centralized Firestore queries. And for the state management, the Firebase will act as a persistent state backend for authentication and event data. Okay, I will show how to use this application. First, you will need to register one if you do not have one. Okay, I will register. Password, you will need to use a strong password. Here I will use a strong password to show it. I will register this one. After that, I will register successfully. And for this event, for now I didn't have any event here, so I will register one to show the map part. Okay, this is the first event description one, and this is the current location from the iOS monitor. Okay, I will leave it here and without change it. And the second one, I will set up a second event. So I will choose another way. For example, island. Okay, maybe here. And I will save this. Okay, here there are two events, and in my part, I can change the first event and second event, and the map you will see the two different events showing here. Okay, by clicking one, you will see the second event. It's near the ocean, and the first one event is by the local event, and you can also change the event address. Okay, this is show the detail, and I will change the event to, for example, this green part, maybe a park. Okay, so here you can see here. Oh, the second event has already changed to the park. Okay, that's all for my part. Thank you.